the frick's happening? It's like, oh god. What the frick? Idaho weather for y'all. This is what it's like to live in Idaho. You get these great storms. Oh my god. Craziest thing ever. Dude, it's like going into the city. Oh god, it just hit the city. It's hit over there. It's touchdown. Whoa! Whoa, you guys. Keeps going over there. I don't know why it's what over there. Well, what's so important over there in the city that they can't strike over here? Oh shit! Right behind the neighbor's house. Crazy. What the frick? What the frick? Dude, that was epic. Dude. No way. The frick? Watch it straight out over here for no reason. It's all over there. All the good ones are over there. You know what's freaking crazy? If it was right above me. Dude! Oh my god! Oh! It was like split the sky right there. Oh no, it's starting to rain. What the heck? Dang, this is Idaho weather. Brought to you part by Kooky Spooky. Now, if you want to come visit me, come check out this crazy Idaho weather. Come right down and visit me, and we'll hang out and have a great day together.